Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Washington. So I hope you're looking forward to the snow. We don't have anything yet, but I bet it's coming. So this week we've been talking about compare and contrast. Alright, so remember, do it with me. Say compare means the same like my hands. Good. And then we say contrast means different like my nose and my eye. So when we compare things, we're trying to tell how they're the same. So, for instance, if we had two kids, maybe they're both girls, or maybe they both have brown hair. And if we contrast them, maybe one has long hair, one has short hair. Or maybe one's wearing a pink shirt, one's wearing a purple shirt. So we have to tell what's the same and what's different. So yesterday at school, we read The Snowy Day with Peter. And then tomorrow, I'm going to post a video reading another story. And your job is to look at ways that they are the same, like my hands, and different, like my nose and my eye. But today, I want you to do a little activity with these little monsters. It's Monster A and Monster B. Alright, so I have Monster A and Monster B. Now, if you look, there are things that are the same, like my hands, and different, like my nose and my eye. So, what I'm going to show you is a way that we organize or we put how they're the same and how they're different. And it's called a Venn diagram. Can you say Venn diagram? Good job. Just do it just like if we were at school on the carpet right now. Alright, so this is a Venn diagram. And so what happens is in the middle we put what's the same. So when you look at Monster A and you look at Monster B, what's the same about them? And then you look at what's different. So here's just Monster A, here's just Monster B. Okay? So I'm going to help you with one or two of them, and then I'm going to ask you to do something with your family at home, okay? Alright, so first thing, let's just take a look at Monster A and Monster B. One thing that sticks out to me is Monster A has how many eyes? One. Good job. And Monster B has how many eyes? Two. Very good. So that's different. So when I go to my Venn diagram, on Monster A, I would put one eye. And on Monster B, I would put two eyes. Very good, guys. So one eye for Monster A, two eyes for Monster B. Now in the middle, let's find something that's the same about them. Tell your parent or whoever you're with right now. I bet you were right. But what I was thinking, they're both blue. They're really both blue, aren't they? So I would put blue in the middle. Alright, so there are things that are the same, but there are things that are different too. So, here's what I need you to do, okay? This is what we would do if we were at school. So I want you to do it with your family. It doesn't matter if it's an older sister or brother. It doesn't matter if it's mom or dad, aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa. Whoever you're with doing your work, this is what I want you to do, okay? This is how you're going to show me that you're still doing school at home, okay? I know you're at home, but we have to pretend that we're still doing all of our school. Alright? So, I'm going to post a picture of Monster A and Monster B. And I want your family, you and your family, to draw that Venn diagram. They can draw it for you. And then I want you to pick out things that are the same and different. And parents, families, I'm asking you, can you please write things for them on this one? And I want you to find 3. You know how that's our magic number in the room. I always ask you to draw 3 pictures of things or 3 words. So 3 things that are the same, 3 things that are different. So you should have 3 things in here, 3 things here, 3 things here. So families, if you will write that just on a blank piece of paper anywhere, it doesn't matter. It can be on the back of something that was sent home. So it doesn't matter, just as long as I get that. And what I need is in the comments on Facebook where this video is uploaded, I need you to post that picture so that I can check off that they did this assignment. This is part of our reading assignment that we've been working on. So, real quick, just to recap. Everybody, students, here we go. Ready? Say compare means the same like my hands. Good job. And now say contrast means different like my nose and my eye. Good job. Alright, so take Monster A and B. 3 things that are the same, 3 things that are different. I love you all. Do good.